All right, hey guys, this is Tori and my partner is Samantha, and we have lesson 7, preparation part 2, questions 1 and 2. And these are both questions from chapter 6 of the Beak of the Finch. So question 1 is, why did selection favor both older large birds and younger small birds?
So for this one, I found that in the reading it talked about how the larger birds were able to collect the nuts and seeds that they needed, and because they were older, they had the stronger beaks and were able to crack those open and be able to eat that way. And the younger birds had the soft skulls, and their jaws weren't jaws or beaks weren't fully formed yet, so they couldn't crack the bigger nuts to eat, but they were able to eat the softer seeds that were around, and those weren't as much of an abundance then. So, but they were still able to eat the smaller seeds, and the bigger, larger birds were able to eat the seeds that were bigger, and they had the larger beaks. So, yeah.
I guess one thing I would add to that was just that, like, the younger, larger birds needed more seeds, and so that's why they weren't as successful and would often die off because there wasn't enough of the small, soft seeds for them to eat enough. So,
Yeah.
all right.
And
So,
then, go ahead. I was just going to read question 2. So it says, question 2, if females select the black plumage, why are there any brown birds?
okay, so for this one, I got, even though black plumage seems to have all the benefits in sexual selections, there are still hidden benefits to having brown feathers during mating season. The main benefit is that males with brown feathers will avoid getting into as many competition and territory fights because the blackbirds don't see the brown birds as sexual competition. Basically, the brown plumage, while it will hinder their sexual selection, it can help them to survive mating season.
Yeah, that's pretty much what I got also. So,
All right, cool.